in the booty blaster workout is your kettlebell swings. I see people do this one in all different variations and oftentimes very wrong, so pay attention to this one. When you're starting, start a little bit down so you get some momentum. And the momentum is coming from your glutes, not from your arms. So making sure that you're allowing the kettlebell to swing through your legs and you're pushing with your glutes. You can keep your legs slightly bent and you're hip hinging to move. So when I say hip hinging, I want you to really think about this motion. This is a hip hinge. Keeping your abs nice and tight and just hip hinging through here. So imagine this is like a hinge to your door and you're opening and closing it through that one point of rotation. Okay, your turn.